quote and the pick in bed. So I hit them in the DM like, hey, big head.
This is only one, right?
That's right, I'm still chipping up the other one.
Holy shit.
If we want to use these existing labs, like we have to provide TVs for all of them.
But part of all this is, that's why we need these inverts here, because if, like, usually renovating is like, way to go.
And it's the one that we got.
Well, this plan doesn't show it, but these are all
Theoretically different.
and they should have, and all the as-builts we have show.
And well, what the fuck? I said, well, I'm not sure. They're showing laterals that are going out individually here. It's not going out individually. And as soon as we open that up, I'm like, that fucking pipe is way too big to be for one unit.
Did you see the whole pussy there?
Yeah, I saw it. She did it because I gave her $5.
No, she waved and she left her shirt while I saw his pussy.
It's about empty now. Let me
I tried baking soda.